Go Jesse!
Ready, 1, 2,
First set, Natalie.
Go Jesse!
Tapos hindi Gabi naman, Senara sa tuwa.
Mali mo.
Wala nang uwan, yan siya.
First set, basi tatlo-tatlo.
Jessa, guapa!
Tatlo-tatlo daw, friend. Tapos isa, wow.
Go, Jessa!
You walked in the joint. I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender. Girl, looking so refined. So would you like to know? Tell me on my mind. So they get me right to the point. I don't put my coat for every man I see. A big spender. Spend a little time with me. Would you like to have fun? Fun. How's about it? Nuts. I can show you a good time. Let me show you a good time. The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender. Got a lucky so fine. So I get it right to the point. I don't put my foot for every man I see. Hey, big spender. Hey, big spender. Hey, big spender. A little time with me.
Oh my God! I like it. Number one for the show.
Bakit labis kita mahal? So much pressure, why so loud? If you don't like my sound, you can turn it down. I'm not alone, and I won't get alone. I'm healed by the I look good on the line. I'm ferocious, precocious, I get precocious. I'm not gonna stop. I like the view from the top. You took the block, la 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 la, the round rush shit. He knows so done, knows so over it. Sometimes I miss all the feelings, but I hit and miss. But I'm okay, I'm cool with it. I still follow my face sometimes, and I can't color inside the lines, 'cause I'm perfectly complete. I'm still working on my masterpiece, masterpiece, masterpiece. Yeah, yeah, keep alive inside the line. Yeah, yeah, whoa, I wanna hear with the grace. It's gonna wait to go, but it's worth the wait. No, you haven't seen the best of me. I'm still working on my masterpiece in the still working on my masterpiece. Ano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako rin ang sisisihin? Nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Saan ba ko nagkamali? Di ko maintindihan. Kung sino kang nagmamahal, siya bang naiiwan? Siya bang naiiwan? At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa.
Sa sexy dress na to.
Ay, sila kami. Mas malimang. Yung shield man ang gown.
Nararamdaman kung di mo alam kung saan di mapalagay pag di ka namamasdan. O bakit ganyan at naging sa'king pagturo? Laging alaala ka, nais makapiling, nais makayakap sa tuwina. Ang dahil
national song sila nga, di ba? Namin siyang kanta.